Hello everyone, today we will discuss about mobbing. So what is mobbing actually? Mobbing is like bullying in the workplace. As you know, a lot of people burn out at work. This makes people stress out beyond belief. It causes them a lot of mental issues and makes them basically unable to work. Mobbing is workplace bullying. Mobbing is when a group of jealous individuals who can't measure up to your skill level and decided to bullying you. Well, people shouldn't do, but they are different and it should be accepted. So, usually, the group in question will start stealing your work and trying to pass it off as their own, yet never measuring up to your quality. The boss and co workers tend to favor you, but these workers resent that. So, the term mobbing as a reference to animal behaviors in which in which a group of animal will work together to attack another animal. His findings led to a number of cases in which he identified such behavior taking place in work environment, and he subsequently worked with the victim of such attacks. In many of these cases, he found that the victim suffered real and lasting psychological trauma due to abuse. Workplace is a practice that is carried out in a more way than school bullying. The dynamics of which vary from cases to cases according to a large number of factors that make it different to study. Luckily, currently mobbing is considered by law to be a labor problem, so that the bases are obliged to offer solutions to this problem. The end result of mobbing practice is a very hostile work environment towards a particular worker. This is usually carried out directly or indirectly by several members of the work team. This leads in the most cases to the harassed person leaving his or her job. There are the different signs of mobbing in the workplace, like provocations, offenses, threats, discrimination, false rumors, impossible tasks, or lack of recognition. Well, mobbing mainly affects women. Approximately 70% of victims, especially those in workplace with low level of organization and whose supervisory staff tend to be ineffective and inattentive. If the harassment is suffered over a long period of the time, more than 6 months, repeatedly and systematically by one or more individuals, causing the isolation and silence of their victim, we would be faced with a clear case of mobbing. So mobbing is workplace bullying, psychological harassment of employees. It can be from people who are in a higher position. So maybe your manager or your boss is always insulting you and telling you that you are stupid, you can't do your job well. So this is illegal. They can't do that to you. It has to do with just people to get power. So why people do this? Maybe they're jealous, maybe you are different. So exactly, this is mobbing. And how do you know that someone is actually doing this to you? They say, oh, you can't do this well. But no person is included. So our country should clear set rules and policies against mobbing, but if they will not, they can get into a lot of trouble. So if mobbing is happening around you, you should tell all people and should get involved them. People do this when you are a good worker and boss always favor you. So don't worry, just relax. If you are not comfortable, left the environment. Please subscribe my channel and get more videos, and don't forget to like, comments and share. Thank you for watching.